Hi guys, today I'll be explaining the difference between a remote key and a pod key. So, remote key, loads of people have it. You usually get it with all your cars from 2000 upwards, some models from 2000 downwards. It's obviously open and close mechanism. This is a standard flip key, and this is a standard transponder key. So a lot of you think that when purchasing a transponder key, you will just have to cut this blade, it will go in the car and start it. Well, it won't. You need a transponder to go with it, and that's one of these little chips here. These little chips are built to work with your immobilizer to unlock your car, to enable it to start up. So pod key is always the cheaper option. You would have to manually open your door, and as long as this little thing's programmed, your car will start. So you have two options there. You have the more expensive remote key and the cheaper option of a pod key.